Hey, what's up, everybody? July 2023 is going to be another huge month for the price movement of gold and silver. In this video, I will be sharing with you why July is going to be a big month. Also, some key dates to watch out for that the price of gold and silver may react to one way or another, either move up, move down. But we're going to discuss all of that in this video. Please hit that thumbs up button on the video and let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. But first, as I record this video on July the 7th, 2023, metals are slightly up. Silver is up about 6 cents to $22.84. Gold is also currently up $7.40 to $1,919.20. And the US dollar index is slightly down by a little bit more than 0.25% to 102.88. Yesterday, on July the 6th, 2023, gold and silver was down because ADP automatic data processing reported stronger job growth for the month of June than expected. However, today, the next day, on July the 7th, 2023, gold and silver is up slightly because the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported weaker job growth for the month of June than expected. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, U.S. non-farm payrolls rose by 209,000 jobs in June. The monthly figure was slightly below the market consensus estimate of 224,000 jobs. The U.S. unemployment rate dropped in line with expectations to 3.6%, down from May's reading of 3.7%. The main difference between the ADP job report and the BLS Bureau of Labor Statistics job report is ADP reports on non-farm private sector jobs, while the BLS Bureau of Labor Statistics report also includes government jobs. So why is July another huge month for the price of gold and silver? And it all goes back to the Federal Reserve and the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell. What is he going to do in the month of July with interest rate increases? One key date to look out for is the CPI data, Consumer Price Index, and that is going to be released on July the 12th, 2023. And I think that's going to be one huge factor if Jerome Powell is going to decide to increase interest rates once again after taking a break on raising interest rates for the month of June 2023. Will he continue raising interest rates in the month of July? I think that date, July the 12th, is going to be a big factor. After the Federal Reserve decided to take a pause on raising interest rates for the month of June, and when Jerome Powell took that podium and he announced that they were going to pause the interest rate increases for the month of June, he also stated that the Federal Reserve would possibly raise interest rates by another 50 basis points for the calendar year of 2023, possibly two more rate increases by 25 basis points each. But he also stated in that press conference that that was not a plan and that it could always change, basically data dependent. So that is the other key date, is July the 12th. We already have the job reports. We had one job report yesterday released by the ADP. We had another job report released today on July the 7th by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS. Now keep in mind, those job reports could always be revised up or revised down, as we have seen in previous months and in previous years. So stay tuned to see if those job numbers are revised one way or another, up or down, because that will also probably drive these markets. After July the 12th, after CPI data or Consumer Price Index data is released, then the other date to look out for is going to be the FOMC meeting, when the Federal Reserve meets on July the 25th and July the 26th. And on July the 26th is when Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, is going to announce what his plans are. What is he going to do with the federal funds interest rate? Is it going to be an increase of 25 basis points? Could it be an increase of something higher? I doubt it. I think if he does raise interest rates, it's going to be by 25 basis points. Or will he take another pause? That's why I think July the 12th is going to be very big. What is the CPI data, the Consumer Price Index, going to show? Also, on July the 26th, after Jerome Powell makes that announcement for his plans for the federal funds interest rate, if it's going to be a 25 basis point increase or if he's going to take another pause, following that announcement, will he stay firm on his message that the Federal Reserve job will not be complete until inflation is back down to their 2% goal? Will he also stay on his message about 2 more rate increases in 2023 with the pivot, with the lowering of interest rates starting in 2024 and continuing in 2025? I believe, in my opinion, that's all very important information to pay attention to in the month of July for what the price action of gold and silver may do. As for what Jerome Powell may do on July the 26th when he does make that announcement, according to the CME Group FedWatch tool, as of the recording of this video on July the 7th, 2023. Now, this probably is not 100% accurate. I think this will be more accurate after the CPI data is announced, and more so 24 hours prior to the Federal Reserve announcement on July the 26th. However, according to the FedWatch tool, there is a 94.9% chance of a 25 basis point rate increase on July the 26th. And that's about what it was yesterday on July the 6th as well. So it seems like the weaker jobs report reported by the BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, did not move that needle much. To conclude this video, let's take a look at these gold and silver prices one more time. Gold is currently up $10.80 to $1,922.60. Silver is currently up a little bit more than when I started this video. Silver is currently up 21 cents, or up almost 1%, to $22.99. So keep your eyes and ears open for the July 12th announcement for the CPI data, the Consumer Price Index, as well as July the 26th for Jerome Powell's big announcement. Do you believe, let me know in the comment section below, do you believe the federal funds interest rate will be increased by another 25 basis points, or do you believe he will take another pause for the month of July? I think a lot of that decision will be based on that July 12th CPI Consumer Price Index announcement. Until then, until these big announcements, unless some other big announcement happens in between those two dates of July the 12th and July the 26th, I don't like to make price predictions, but I do believe silver and gold could continue to be volatile. I believe silver and gold will continue to fluctuate up and down until then. Like I said, unless some other major event happens or some other major announcement happens, I believe the prices of silver and gold will continue to be extremely volatile. But that's just my opinion. Everything in this video was just my thoughts, my opinions on the data that we currently have, all the information and the dates that we know as of July the 7th, 2023. In the description of this video, I will include a link to the CME Group FedWatch tool in case you would like to follow along with the projections of what the Federal Reserve may do on July the 26th and for future announcements. This will conclude today's video. I appreciate everybody for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.